And welcome back. And we begin with the news that Sports Minister Olivia Grange has called on sportswear giants who sponsor Jamaican athletes to expand their financial support to the primary school level. The appeal comes as the minister weighed in on the proposal that Adidas has made to become the main sponsors of the nation's track and field program.
There has been plenty of debate about the 8-year, $6 billion proposal German sportswear giants Adidas have made to sponsor the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, the J3As. But while that figure remains just a proposal, Sports Minister Olivia Grange is urging whoever is behind the funding of local athletics governing body going forward to ensure that the support trickles down to the lowest level. It comes against the background of the recent staging of the InSports National Primary Schools Athletics Championships, where a number of athletes could be seen running barefooted.
I want to use the opportunity to make a special appeal to the Pumas and the Adidas of the world. They are all over the athletes when they compete in boys and girls champs and when they become elite athletes. But I want them to recognize that this is the cradle. This is where it all begins. And I want them to come on board as well. Because for years now, the government has been doing this competition. And we're growing. But we're not going as fast as we would like because we have limited funds.
Adidas' $4.85 million US or more than 750 million Jamaican dollars a year proposal does include a figure of nearly 40 million Jamaican dollars per year for facility creation. It's music to the ears of Sports Minister Grange, who is in advanced talks to have the National Stadium redeveloped. But the longtime minister says the gear giants should feel obligated to give back to the nation's development.
It's not just about getting our elite athletes to endorse your company and endorse your sportswear. It's about a country wanting to further enhance its prowess and developing human beings. Our people are good at what they do. Our athletes are good at what they do. And we don't want to feel like we are just being exploited. We want to feel that those who benefit from our success should also feel obliged to give support.
And Minister Grange says there have been further developments in the discussions to renovate the stadium starting next year.
As we speak, framework agreement was signed with the UK to fund several major projects. One of those projects included is the national. And just recently, the Minister of Finance advised me that he is about to sign an agreement with a UK company under that agreement to do the architectural design and to complete the technical aspect.
Jordan Ford, TVJ Sports.